Oh man, this music's so good. What's up? Just in the Patreon night. Hanging out, man. Good to see y'all. A few of y'all that are here. Big one's doing nothing. No surprise. It doesn't do much. Really. I mean, small dumps on BitMEX cases, you know, whatever. Fraud cases. It's not fraud, it's just... You know what happened earlier. My God. Anyway. Alright.
To stay in the stock market, try to just simplify things.
It's a good idea. Yeah, either stock market or Bitcoin. If you're gonna do crypto, it's gonna be just that.
What are y'all talking about?
You're saying not even that.
Well, I mean, I'm kind of long Bitcoin right now just because it's a position, and that's where I'm at. But mostly, I'm just trying to simplify my own strategy because things are so irrational.
Right.
And yeah, the altcoin market's it's a coin flip, man. With Bitcoin just going sideways, kind of pumping, dumping, doing whatever it wants, and this battle of ranges, it's kind of tough.
Unless Mitch sees an edge on Maker, then just trust it.
True.
Yeah,
Just
Maker's
let it
nuts.
fly, yeah.
It made too much sense. Everyone was so scared. I remember it was like a couple Sundays ago, or last Sunday. It was just Sunday, I think. Sunday itself. And that was when this posted, or maybe it was a day or two before that. Just everything lined up. It was too low risk, right? You're in your second bottom, divergence. Just that's almost all it takes sometimes. There are other ones that look like that, kind of. I mean, Zcash was a pretty freaking good one. But
Oh yeah, Zcash also looks really good. It's just, but yeah.
let's look at Neo. Oh man, what's it doing? Diverging, crazy bullish divergence going on the oscillators. Shorting of the thrust stuff. I know Head and Shoulders is crap, right? I mean, big time Head and Shoulders. But dang, dude. Like you're at this little support here, 1868. What is that? I don't know how I could trust it. I mean, the structure looks so done. It looks like it's over, right? I mean, maybe you get a big harmonic, but you got to go all the way down to like 17 bucks or something to get that crazy Gartley, right? Wouldn't it be a Gartley here? Even then, it's like, yes, 75%. That means like the only thing it could be is eventually a butterfly. Oh yeah, you don't want it to be a butterfly, man. Look at that. Oh god. It would go down to 1342. That's support down there, man. October 2019. Good. If the market rolls over, that's exactly where Neo could be going.
There's maybe some bullish divergence forming on the RSI, just barely. Not really.
Now, what is Zeus? What are you talking about? Is this crypto or something? What?
For Neo on the 4-hour. Oh, there's definitely there's bearish divergence. It's there on the RSI.
No, it'd be bullish divergence, right? Classic bullish divergence, right? No, I don't see any. Well, there was hidden bearish divergence, yeah, but that was September 25th. That's already played out, right? On the MACD,
yeah.
And now it's like making a double bottom with much lower levels. But the thing is, you know, its divergence played out. Look at the small positive histogram. Now it's going back to neutral. Bear's about to get the ball back. It just doesn't. It's just like the party's over. You had so long. I mean, look at this on Neo. Like, why not just move along, sir? You know, like, if you even see that bullish divergence being there, it's just like, all right, I'll just move on to something that doesn't look as done. It's like a well done Neo, you know. Let's look for a rare, medium rare other asset. I don't know, man. Just overcooked. There's just better looking charts out there, so why settle? Why settle? It's making lower highs now, and it could continue to do that for 6 weeks to plus, you know? I mean, anyway, I mean, look at Neo to BOTC, or Neo to BTC, yeah, let's see. How's that one looking? Oh yeah, it's starting to play out, man. See? Go on, the head and shoulders, man. The supply, or the demand line broken, man. Live chat isn't showing up. Yeah, because live chat's broken, dude. Thank you for reminding me, though. Yeah, it's just things. I don't have muscle memory yet. I don't have, like, the wherewithal to, I don't know, man. Just gotta remember. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be broken every single time. Alright. Prepare.
Patreon chat works, though. How about that?
What chat works?
Patreon chat.
Oh yeah, certainly. Let's see, where is this widget, man? There it is. I wish it would just automatically do it for me. Alright, Neo. Get destroyed, dude. Get obliterated, sent to another dimension, right? Taking the... What did he take? The red pill, blue pill, green pill? Take it. So that like lines up, but I mean, and you know, that's an anomaly, right? A definite anomaly where everything else is kind of looking bullish. It's kind of crappy that if Bitcoin dumps, the party's going to be over for like everything because crypto kind of sucks that way. It's just because like the volatility. It would just like stop everything out or something, you know, if it dumped too hard. Alright, like I don't even, like I'm starting to feel a little weirded out right now on Dash. Like, come on, man. Like, what is this? This looks crappy. It's okay, but it just, before it dumps, man. Now it's like you sprung, you back tested the spring. And now you rallied, but there's not enough bids. Not enough bids coming in at all. What about XLM, dude? How's that one doing? I mean, it's like, you know, it's hit the PCZ. It's a bullish cipher. You know, it's back above the 7 cent area, which is like a support. Look at this, man. Like back from 2019, it was first created. That's why it's there plotted. I mean, you're above it for now, right? I mean, you sprung. You're back testing that as that spring, and it's like, all right, it's time to rally. But just kidding, because no one's gonna buy it. The Bitcoin dumps. There you go. Bueller? Hello?
Yeah, no, I'm here. I'm here. It's also might be some bullish divergence on the RSI for the 4 hour as well on XLM.
4-hour bullish divergence?
Bearish.
Oh, bearish. God, look at that. It's so gross. Zoomed in. Triple top. Yeah, I mean, for sure. Just crapping around. Who knows, man? Stay above 7.087 cents, you'll be good. If not, you're screwed. Get wrecked, XLM. And look at the IOTA, you know. Sorry, like, rallied at the 886 and then dumped again. Then the argument could have been made that this was the real swing low, you know? Okay, well, this was the real... Well, then it's 88% retrace, then you're good, right? Let's see, is it 36? It's like almost not even deep enough. So, I don't know. Yeah, I just look kind of like Zcash, a few others. It's not really... It's doing okay. Yeah, it's got a lot of resistance above it, man. Yeah. Its next target's 3167, I guess, if it can break where it is now. Who knows, dude? Who knows? God, that's so wacky looking. Jeez, what a run it had. That's why, because it just had a stupid run, almost straight up. You know, from June 27th to August 16th was just like all in IOTA. Just kidding. Oh God, and another one's just like, oh, it looked good, man, and then it didn't. Now it looks terrible. Now it looks like it's just probably getting ready to get devastated to break this support at 14.4 cents this engine, dude. Yeah, man, no one wants this crap. I mean, this consolidation here makes you kind of think, yep, that's it. That was the bull's attempt. That was really sad. I don't even know how this holds at this point, dude. It's so bad. Get ready to get wrecked. Yeah, I don't know. The YouTube chat box is broken, dude. I can't make it work. It was broken before. I don't know. It just doesn't work. I might have to log out of it, my Streamlabs or something. I don't know, dude. I think they say that you have to do that sometimes.
Hey Mitch, just an idea. I was thinking like if people were to comment more on your videos that you leave posted, it should work better.
Wait, what?
Like just to kind of help the YouTube is like have people be more active on the chat, in the comments and stuff like that. I know a lot of people are active on the live chat, but usually comments, I think, would help a lot.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I think the scores are way differently for stream, for like live streams that is static videos. They're in a different category. So, I don't know, man. Like, maybe. I get plenty of bots that comment and I have to delete them all the time. Just trying to scam people. But yeah, I mean, like, I'd prefer, I don't really care if people do that. I think, honestly, if more people could, if I could ask anyone to do anything, it'd just be to interact more on the live chat. But again, it's like people listen and do other things, so it's not really a big deal at all. I don't know if it'll help anything per se. I mean, it might, but I don't want to, like, people are gonna do what they want, you know.
True.
ETC still hadn't. Is not giving up yet. Never made it down to that 786 either. It's ridiculous. But it will. It certainly will. Bitcoin dumps. Oh, Tezos, could it not break out? Oh, it broke out. It's not dead yet. Wow, I thought this would be at 0 by now. You know. Tezos Connect. Anyone? Oh God, is it head and shouldering like a scrub?
I haven't looked at that chart in a minute.
Man, look at that. It's like you up thrusted, then you back tested the up thrust. It's like a spring and a back test of a spring with a bearish engulfing. Get destroyed. Bearish convergence, divergence. What a joke. Look, and that's a critical ice line I've had plotted. I mean, that's big time, man. That's big time. Is it on here? No, I guess that's... Yeah, look, what was once support is now resistance. Not once, but twice on a lower high. It's terrible. It's so bad. It's just like, I want to dump again. Let me dump again, man. Like, alright. And this is what it kind of looks. Of course. I'm just going through, making the rounds, looked at all of them, you know.
We're looking at shit coins. Can we do Binance on the daily?
Yeah, wow. Look at that freaking pin bar, hammer pin bar combo, now price action. What the heck, dude? Well, I mean, on the Daily Connect.
Yeah, I had hidden bullish, ran up, lower high, the bearish divergence.
Oh, it's just disgusting. Yeah, hidden bullish into just bearish convergence right now because it's not making a double top or a higher high. Yeah. The good news is, look, it's above this January 2018 high. That's big time. That's huge. So maybe it's not over. Maybe those Binanceans, you know, they pump this thing again. But like, it's so crazy, man. Like at the literal pattern completion zone, right? It reversed and dropped 34% in value once it hit the PCZ. I mean, it's just too perfect. This is a textbook bearish cipher pattern. The thing we're looking at on the S&P futures and the Dow Jones right now, the same friggin' pattern, you know. What Bitcoin was showing before it, you know, it went from its PCZ of 10,952 to a low of 10,430, 420.
That pattern everywhere across the markets.
Yeah, this one's the cipher. Bitcoin was more like the shark. I guess it might have also, but the thing is, it had, maybe it was just because it reversed to the 786 and not the 886 really. Because like COVID, man, made it become a 1618 on C. Whereas this one, like BNB, so not like perfect, almost a 1414, you know, so valid. So that's the only reason it became a shark on Bitcoin is because of the 1618 on C. Yeah, man. So S coins, mini S coins, lower highs. Yeah, BNB actually looks okay. I think the weekly looks. This and Monero, like two only ones that actually look like something.
It's so crazy. Last night, like, I mean, you know, NASDAQ was pumping, like, everything looked great. Bitcoin, Ethereum, like, everybody was approaching those critical areas and getting above those resistances.
Mm-hmm.
Everything was all primed and set up, you know?
Yeah.
Of course. Always. No surprises, right? It's crypto.
I mean, well,
Like
this
a
time
rug,
of the year.
It's like a rug pull economy too. It's just things just come out of the blue. Conditions are changing literally at the snap of a finger. It's kind of the times.
Yeah, it's an election year. An election. I mean, we got 33 days till the election, or something. November 3rd. That's insane.
Yeah, today's the first day of October.
Yeah, you notice with the falling leaves? Do you like the touch?
Yeah, I love that. I saw that right away when you had that up.
Or just wait till it starts getting really cold. I don't think y'all have seen.
Haven't seen the snow?
Not yet. It's awesome though.
I can't wait for the fireplace.
Oh yeah, and the sound effects too at the fireplace. It's just like, and then we in the background have the ambience of like wind blowing. Oh, it's amazing, dude.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Oh man, kids, you look so good, dude. Oh yeah, so good, man. Nice double top, get wrecked on the weekly. I mean, just destroyed. So it should be like make it. It's way on down to 55 cents. It's terrible. It's just terrible. I mean, I can't even. It's just. It was so perfect though. It was good for us, and then it was gone. Right. It was the
Traders
bullish Gartley hits the targets, and then just never. You had 1 day or 2 days to take profit. It ran up one more time too, and it was like no, okay, all right, we're done. We're done. It's all over. Now you're below the entry. I think that's gnarly, man.
I'm just checking it out on Bitcoin right now too. There was the September 28th selling climax. Got us down to like pretty much exactly where we're at right now, like 10.62. And ever since then, it's just tested that it's just resistance. And the last 4-hour candle is doji, and we're about to close this doji if this doesn't pick up.
On Bitcoin?
So it's like, yeah, it's on Bitcoin. I'm looking at the 4-hour Coinbase chart.
Oh, let's do that to hammer, man. 30
Yeah,
minutes.
right.
Here comes the 30-minute candles closing. We're about to see a change. It's about to go up, man. Now, here it is, new candle. I'm looking at the 4-hour. I just witnessed there's 30 minutes left now.
Yeah.
Yep. But yeah, what I was saying is the selling climax from September 28th, that's just nothing but resistance right now. It's actually doing pretty well in terms of like a Wyckoff range. It's holding up. It was like 10,600 up to 10,725-ish.
I was saying too to I think Face last night, if you look, doesn't it kind of look like there was a little bit of like between September, like it looked like there was a little bit of a spring and then the back test of the spring?
Talking about
early September with Bitcoin.
You dumped.
Right there.
You rallied and you sprung with the cipher bottoms A and C. Right. That you talking about? Oh, or you like here and then you kind of sprung back tested the spring twice here, September 11th and 13th. For sure.
Yeah, yes.
10-2. 10-2 was just where traders set it up at the high point. June 2nd, not really the most significant. I just plotted it. So
'cause after we dumped September 2nd, when we were down there, right, we couldn't get back above like that 10.3 or whatever. It was resistance. Then we popped above it finally, and then sprung above it, and then we came back and tested it as support, and we haven't been able to, we haven't dropped below yet, so we'll see what happens.
yeah, it's already made a pretty moderate retrace. It did the 618. Low to high. Yep, 618. Touched like the Jesus is where it bounced. 10,443. But I mean, the way the oscillators look, there's so much room for downside if market participants will it. It's just like the stage is set for those to. It's not even close to over sold. Negative moments at its highest level. I mean, it's just there's no buyer or seller exhaustion yet. It's just it could easily keep dumping for sure. In this pattern, it's like these patterns, man. You look at them, it's like, I'm just in bed. I'm literally in bed, and I'm like, I see it. I see a cipher, and I like plot it on my phone. This was like Sunday night or something. When was it? I don't know. I was in bed.
Right before it started to come down. Yeah.
Yep, and it's
It was
just
Sunday night or Monday, Sunday or Monday, the night before.
yeah, I called it the bedtime cipher, and it's like we would have gotten away with it if it wasn't for that pesky bedtime cipher. And now look at us, wrecked. Man, we would have had such a good time. Yeah, that's like definitely more divergence that appeared, and that continuation of the divergence.
I just flipped the chart over too, and it's like pretty nasty. Three rising valleys on the inverse. Little scuffed, but it's yeah, it just looks like 3 rising valleys if you flip it over. So
Not really, because it's a lower high on the third valley. I normally want that lower high to be a higher high, right? Two peaks, 2 valleys, or 3 valleys.
oh, okay.
So I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Like, hey, man. I mean, the same argument could be made. It almost looks identical if you look at 1 valley, 2 valley. We're working on the 3rd valley now, and you made a lower high on your 2nd peak, right? It's almost like, what the heck's going on? They look like the same thing, but just inverse of each other. What? You know what I'm saying? The 3 falling peaks. Oh, what about 3 rising valleys in the works on the short-term side? I don't know. Yeah, trend is bearish for now. Consecutive lower highs, but at the same time, we're making higher lows. Alright, break 10,550, 10,200, 10,000, 9,950. Then you're screwed. Yeah, you gotta hold this, man. You gotta hold all this right here. It means this is the big battleground. 9,950.
And you would think too, we just spent, all that time up now, of course, trying to break 10.9. So you would think it's good to come down and start trying to test the bottom, right? Like, who knows?
Yeah, maybe. One more thing I noticed too is the dump today down to 10.4 was like the exact upthrust back from, was it June 1st when we went up to, we were in the Wyckoff reaccumulation, and it was like that upthrust candle. We back tested that today. So mixed. The signals are just so mixed, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, people care about Bitcoin so much, and it's just like, I don't know, there's just a lot of other assets out there that are promising that you can put your money there too. But I get it, it's Bitcoin, man. But look at this, dude. This consolidation's insane, at this point. It's just getting out of hand. We broke out of it, It's almost just like sell wall stuff up here and accumulation. Look at the 200-week moving average. This is log scale. It's like just some point, man. There's just got to be a legendary amount of price suppression here. Sell orders. Eventually, man, you got to break it. Trend is so bullish. It's stupid.
I guess it's the thing with Bitcoin is it's like, because you go through 3 months plus or whatever of really nothing happening, and then there's like that 5-minute move. So everybody's always watching it because they want to be there for that.
Yeah, there's a stat on that, man. I can't even remember. I wish I could find it. Someone find the stat on there's only a certain small amount of time where the moves happen, and all the other time it's just 90% plus of the time, or 95, 98% of the time it does nothing. I don't know. It's weird. 9%? Is that what it is? Someone give me the stat in sentence form so I can repeat it. Beyond Meat Tacos, nay is F, dude. Nay 10 million times. Ever since I worked all the time. There you go, most of the time. Alright, perfect, dude. We did it. Turn around Tuesday.
What do you see on OT USDT? Does the pattern need to be closer to the PCZ or looking good?
My God, he coughed. He's got COVID. Connect. I don't know. Until I don't know, Dad. Thank you, Maniello. Mr. M. Maniello. Thank you, man. It just sucks, dude. It's like, you know, let's go. Bullish Rami. Bullish divergence. Real as F. It ran up 69 cents, selling off. It already hit the PCZ though, sir. I mean, this is gonna pull an ICX or something, man. This way it's looking to me. This is why you just, without an edge, man, just it's weird. Bullish convergence, but you're thinking it could come back to 58 cents again. Where's the support, man? Man, there's support right there. Yeah, it's been tested before. January 2020. I don't know, man. I guess December 2018. A lot of congestion down here. Yeah, you just think that's the correction. The harmonic presents itself in an uptrend, and yeah, you make higher lows or you make a double bottom, and then you run again, and you become kings. It's hard to say, man. Like, where are the bids? Where are the friggin' bids? What are Bitcoin dumps? It's over for OT. So it's like, yeah, it looks okay. It looks actually, man, flip this thing over. Oh, man. Bearish cipher. Yeah, definitely bearish cipher. Or it's like it's a bullish cipher, but not. It's a bullish shark. A bearish shark, man. Sold off. Oh, no, they hit a 50% retrace. Oh, no, it's a bullish 382 kappa. Bearish, whatever. So, I don't know, man. It all depends on Bitcoin. You clearly see this is a major reversal, 69.68 cents, man. What were you asking, though, specifically? Sorry, just kind of rambling, man. It looks okay. Optimum entry is 58 cents. Because then it's like you could justify bullish divergence. So you don't have that. You only have bullish convergence still. So you see the negative momos starting again. You're looking for a lower low. You're looking for a sell-off here to make even lower levels of negative momentum. You're like, it's bullish divergence, and then it might be time to take a shot, maybe. Waiting for that. So alert set up, 58.63 cents or so. So that's it, dude.
How do you like Ethereum? It's we haven't talked about that one tonight.
Ethereum, man. Good. I mean, you know, it's still okay. It's just holding on to support barely. It had that divergence in the end. Get wrecked. But it hasn't broke. It's like Bitcoin's 10,541 is Ethereum's 348, 347.95. Let's go see. Is it the weekly, the daily? Where is it? Yeah, dude, look here, listen, man. Look, it's this high, this peak, August. Traders set it up the week of August 21st, 2017. Right there. That is what is being regarded as support right now. It's held. Once you break it, it's over, dude. I mean, you just get more scam wicks like this on the weekly, right? Because it's been doing it, and every time traders been settling above that critical support. So if it breaks it, man, I mean, you're thinking eventually 309, 309. But if it can hold, oh my God, it would be a miracle. It'd be a freaking miracle if it can hold that. It's not going to. Bitcoin dumps. So your next target's 310 on the weekly. If it breaks 350 or 348, that's it. Get wrecked. Look at this. No negative momentum since April 13th on the weekly. You kidding me? You're about to do it, dude. It's like next week or this week. It's going red. Yeah, you better be careful here on Ethereum, man. On the weekly, that one's woof. Careful.
Yeah, I've got this channel drawn from that August 1st pump up, you know, where everything dumped. And we are just, I mean, we just respected the channel pretty well, bounced off of the heartline to the downside.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's just kind of like a behavior change candle, and everything's kind of been referenced around that. So the heartline is respected still.
disappointing. It's like, oh, Dragon, just kidding. I mean, it still could play out. It's on Bitcoin and it doesn't really look good on the weekly. Don't look good on the weekly. Oh, uncertainty, yeah, dude, it sucks, man. There's so many jobs being lost. It's unreal, right? 24,000 Disney jobs, 9,000 Rhoda Shell jobs, a bunch of institutions like banks are dropping people. Yeah, tons of unemployment. Sucks.
Yeah, what happened to the airlines today? I think I heard yesterday or the day before that they were looking
Furloughing?
to cut 30,000.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, they were like waiting on, they were waiting on Congress and the executive branch to come up with like a stimulus deal or something, and like if they didn't by a certain day, then they were gonna just cut.
Okay, so more than 32,000 airline workers are losing their jobs after Congress failed to pass a last-minute funding extension. So it, make Trump look bad, probably. I don't know. I mean, why would they not pass it, Like, if that was going to happen. Tens of thousands of airline workers being furloughed. Yeah, great, dude, you said that. A last-minute funding extension, which workers and labor groups insist would have been a jobs program rather than a bailout, never materialized. Business Insider spoke with airline employees facing prolonged unemployment and a faltering economy, plus a loss of health coverage during a global pandemic. Despite the current stress and uncertainty, most say they'd go back to the airline life in a heartbeat. Okay. So there you go, man. 32,000 jobs, about to throw it in, just melt it down with all the others. Air travel demand fell as much as 97% in the early pandemic. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, then you got earnings coming up for pretty big names.
Yep.
I think they're trying to position themselves before that, or they're just they just can't keep the people in jobs. So that really stinks.
Yeah.
Then you got Boeing.
Buybacks all day, every day for years. Instead of CapEx.
I'm gonna pull up like a little headline I saw. I think they're moving some manufacturing potentially out of Washington just to avoid our like insane business and occupation taxes.
What company?
Boeing.
Yeah, and then of course Amazon left.
Yeah, I need to find this article.
Yeah, rip you. That's what happens when you vote in crazy, man. You vote in, like, I don't even know. Dude, it's such a pervasive problem. It's like a lot of communists now. They're just like unwavering, proud, Marxist communists. I don't know. Weird. Indoctrination complete.
Like stage 5 or something, normalization or something like that.
Yeah, the event, right? There was the event that happened. That was the whole pandemic. China shuts down and somehow everyone follows China. Like, oh, let's do what China does. I don't know, dude. It's just, we've never done this before. I mean, it's so weird. And then, like, New York's about, I mean, what is it? I posted the article earlier. Also have in New York the extreme policies of the government. Man, look what happens when the government has this much control over people's lives. They can ruin. They have the power to destroy so many people's lives. You don't have to kill them. You can just mandate that they can't make money. Like, that's insane, dude. Like, and people just keep voting for bigger government. Bigger help from the government, man. That's going to solve all the problems. Yeah, like half of NYC's 24,000, up to 13,000 bars and restaurants could just be permanently shuttered forever because of what's happened. 150,000 plus people could lose their jobs because of it. Great.
The Cheesecake Factory.
Cake. Beefcake.
I found this headline from.
Look, 3% today. Let's go, dude. Oh my God! Look at this. Is it a harmonic or something? Hold on. Whoa. Oh my God! It's a bullish Garley, man. It's a bullish Garley on cake. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh my God. Beautiful. This is continuous.
Look at that.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. I bought it. It's like, wow. Another one was like this too earlier. I remember exactly which was looking on the stream. That's like a textbook is crap, bullish Gartley on Cheesecake Factory. Oh my God, I can't get it. There you go. It's right there. It's perfect, man. Perfect. Now moon time.
Cheesecake Moon.
Well,
Yeah, too gorgeous, man. But value. Look at Darden, man. Darden, I posted the chart earlier. I was talking to Ninja Girl about it. This is and their headquarters is in Orlando. But look at this thing. It broke resistance. Just been going up sloping. It looked like Walmart down here in mid-July. It's just gone, dude. Just to Jesus. It's on the way to like 112 or something. On the way to moon. But look how it all ended for Darden. And oh my God. So perfect, dude. It was so perfect. Bear Cipher. Like, oh God. Right at the 786. Just to Jesus drop. Like, are you kidding me? Anyway, who cares? It's stocks. Let's look at Sushi Coin or something. Stupid.
Do it.
Is it even on TradingView?
I hope not.
No.
Oh man, that
Probably.
sucks. Yeah, it's there.
Is anyone still in LHX?
Oh, it's terrible. Oh God, man, defense stocks getting wrecked, man.
Yeah, it
Doesn't
did
look good.
yesterday.
Yep. Yeah, Lockheed Martin. Oh, we gotta look at that. I looked at that today, LHX. I'm like, crap. And I'm like, I wonder what the others look like, and it did not look good at all. Dude, this is awful. Sushi Coin. This is terrible. This is like no demand at all. No demand. Yeah, it's hitting the same support, but just like lower highs. The thing's about to dump again. It looks like. Oh God, there's nothing to even chart. It's so bad. Oh, triple MACD bullish diverse of the 4-hour, man. Whoa. Well, the daily. No data on the daily.
Point chart.
Yep. Imagine, dude. Imagine the day it came out, like $15, right? $15.98.
That's insane.
And now it's at $125. It's so bad.
At the beginning of September.
You know what that reminds me of, and it's gonna piss people off?
What?
That chart reminds me a lot of the XRP chart.
Yeah,
Hey man.
Hey, dude, I can't believe you said that.
Shots
man.
fired.
What's up, Casey, man?
Right over the bow.
Where's Silent at? I know Silent's in here somewhere.
I think XRP bag
Here we go.
holders are
I
now.
think we've seen the beginning.
Nicola bag
Economics and army crash is building. Government can't keep buying
Yeah, that's what they're
Yeah,
saying.
they transitioned to
especially
Nicola.
the housing market. Eventually the forbearance
hilarious.
programs will end.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. I don't know, and I don't think anyone have any answers either. It's all. That's why you gotta just hoard up your cash, man. Just be ready. Be ready for it. Know it's coming. Dude, look at this. It's so bad. Flip the chart over. This is like a Bitcoin chart. You know, it's going up, dude. Like this way it looked, you know, beginning. I don't know. It's like the inverse. It's so bad. Look at this. It's just flagging, kind of. And oh yeah. I was just. Oh, no, it's accumulation. Like, yeah. No, it's nothing. But yeah, it's really disgusting. What's another trash one? Sushi. Wasn't there like Noodle Coin or something stupid? Noodle.
I don't really pay attention to any of those anymore.
No noodles. Thank you, KCW, man, for the 25, man. I really appreciate it. Super chat, Kings. Sushi. Kale. Was it kale coin? No.
Hot dog.
Hot dogs. Oh my god. It's not on TradingView, thankfully.
There's one called Shroom now.
Shroom. No, it's not on TradingView. Why is sushi on TradingView? Nothing else. That's weird, dude. Kimchi.
That one, yeah, that one's like a spin-off.
Certainly not on TradingView, unfortunately. Sashimi is actually. Oh man, I had some good sashimi with Ninja Girl. It was good. Yam. Yam's not on there either. Come on, what are y'all doing? Where are all the scrub coins? What? Oh. Always too many, and now not enough, right? Of course, the great fallacy.
Mitch, can we look at Beyond Meat when you get a chance?
Oh, Beyond Meat, man. Beyond Meat. It's great. It's crazy. If it breaks this, it could moon. It could literally go to moon. I mean, go up to like $200 if it breaks that. But I don't know if it will, man. I don't know.
Somebody was saying in YouTube chat earlier that they thought Beyond Meat was a dating service.
Oh my god, dude. Wow.
I wonder why.
I have never heard that before.
Wow, dude. Well,
Very serious, like eHarmony.
it's beyond meat. It's beyond just, what is it? Life is not about, what is the 40-year-old virgin? The guy, like, you know, he's talking to Steve Carell, like, life is not about butthole, whatever he says, like pleasures or something. Life is about love. Yeah, dude. I guess that's like where they were coming from. Anyway, it's not trying to be gross. But yeah, dude, look, critical or is this if you break it, man? 173. I'll tell you, dude, you could be kings. The king targets could be, well, I mean, you're thinking like $200, but you know, I mean, there's 1272, 180, 185, 195 is the gold meat ratio. But again, if you look left, historically, it's just, you know, maybe 1414 is probably your target. 185, that little wick right there, that's where it could go if it breaks it. But at the same time, this has been a major reversal area to the downside many times. So if history repeats itself at this level, you could go down. All right, then you'd be looking for like a 50% retrace, maybe a higher low, and then you go again, and then you break to the upside. So
What about a handle? For
yeah, look for a couple with handle. Yeah, look for it. Or it could just, you go to the weekly and it's a double top. Ugh. Right, it's just a lower high, then this high, double top. But yeah, look, bearish divergence will certainly be forming, but it might be forming up here at like $200. So yeah, weekly, man. The weekly. All these freaking boomers buying meat. Beyond Meat. Fake meat, dude.
Is that a boomer thing, or is that like a Gen Z millennial thing?
I mean, it's always a boomer thing, because like boomers are the only ones that drive this market, right? With their wealth and their money, institutions, whatever.
Yeah, so they're not buying the product; they're just.
Look at this. Look at that supply line up there. Oh, is it a rising wedge, man? Biggest rising wedge of your face, or something? Not really. It doesn't have 5 touches, but a little imagination there. Aces rather than better go up here to test 189. That's pretty. That's pretty cute.
Yeah, that could be a nice supply line.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad, man. Not bad.
Is that all-time high? Would you consider that a blow off top?
KZW, man. Oh, blow off top where?
On Beyond Meat on the weekly.
No, over here, I don't know, man. I mean, I guess. That's like a close in reverse candle for sure. Pump it. The same people, they had a signal. They said, all right, hit the macro. We're reversing. We're going short. Boom. Destroyed. Then where'd it go? 786, 886s. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Think about this. What else could it be? It could be a bearish cipher. In time. Oh my god, dude. He's onto something. The 786 is like $200, man. Whoa. Whoa. Makes sense. If you break 173, that's like the target anyway, $200, right? Which is X marks the spot, the deep retracement, and then the divergence would be maturing maybe by then. Let's go. Beyond meat. Deep thinking.
Bruh.
Ugh, I blacked out. Anyway.
What's up, guys?
Hey, we are coming at you live. What's up, Skyward?
I was just out doing some yard work and totally forgot, but glad to hop on here. Did you guys happen to look at IDEX?
Oh God, what happened to it? Wrecked even more?
Well, no, my option's up 10%, but it's pretty wrecked. I mean,
yeah, dude, that one. Remember the $1? What was it? Yeah, it was 111. Was the you get out if you fall below 111? It's done. And look what happened as soon as it broke that ice line. I mean, that ice line was the whole point of the trade, potential trade, because it goes all the way back, man. Just so, oh, here, I guess let's bring it up on screen. Yeah, look, man, you go all the way back, 2013. You go back to November 2016, February 2017. My God, February 2019. Look here, listen, even March, and then, oops. And then right here, this is when you held it the first time, 20th. We noticed that. We're like, okay, if it holds here, it could moon. It very well could. And then, if you do fall below it, it's over. You're out. Forget about it. Bitcoin, 10,650. Anyway,
yeah, that's
nice.
the problem with the short-term, like option swing. I wasn't looking at.
Yeah, so it was like you just get in, you're in. Okay, it breaks below that ice, so you're out. Like, forget about it, you know. And I don't know now. Like, it hadn't even filled that gap yet. Look, it probably wants to fill the gap at this point. So close. Look at that, 65 cents. Good luck.
I think by the time I got to Hawaii here, it had dropped so much that it was like 80% down. 60%. So I'm just gonna sit in, kind of like Dollar Tree. It's like 90% down. I don't know if that has any hope with the Dollar Tree.
Oh God, dude, that one got killed on earnings and has never recovered. Whoa, I mean it's recovering. Yeah. Look at this, maybe a double bottom though, for sure. Like, dang, man.
Did you see Rolls Royce?
10%
down today.
Whoa.
Ugly looking.
Isn't that BMW?
I don't know.
I remember that warning.
Whoa, is this shark?
I hope so.
No, too deep. Way too deep. But look, the gist though is like, well, I mean, look where it reversed. 113%. Either way, it's too deep here. Unconventional, but it's still XABCD. But 113, and it's gone. So your options recovered a little bit, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. Like the resistance is 94.90.
Yeah, I mean, it went up 35%, but then it's still down like 90%.
Yeah, it's tough.
But hey, I'm super stoked on Walmart tendies because that's up 44%.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, Walmart, dude.
I know that's why it's risky with the options. I just I don't have much in that account, so I'm only doing small portions, but definitely seeing. I'm liking, like, what is it? What are we doing with the S coin that we have, ICX, like I just did a traditional position, and if that, it's so far,
it's kind of stuck. Yeah, well, if it does, I mean, what if Bitcoin dumps again? There's no chance. That's what's just
I think it's gonna dump, you guys. I think it's gonna dump down to 8 to 9 level, like, so I'm not. I definitely have my stop losses in, and but hey, will be the buying opportunity and all that. But shoot, my wife just called me for dinner. I'll try to drop in later on. Thanks so much, Mitch.
All right, dude. Peace.
Recovered. I was looking at Rolls Royce. It's got a nice.
What's the ticker again? RR.
Yes.
Oh, I was looking at the wrong one.
It's a London Stock Exchange, right?
Yes, LSE.
There's like some over the counter that's
Oh,
actually
so
got
bad,
that.
dude. It's so awful. Oh my god.
Hey, look at the 4 hour. Look at the scam wick. I don't know what that is. That's just absurd.
Oh man, that's what you see in S-coin markets. The BTC S-coin markets. That's bad, dude. It's probably
According to
more
it, it
downside.
went all the way down to $1.55.
Dude. Look at this.
Where's Osho?
It's devastated, man. Hey, dude, area value though. Oh my god. You haven't seen this price since 2003. It's coming. It's on the way. I don't know, there's one support right here from 2001. Free falling. Wow, short of a lifetime. Seems like it's been just done nothing but dump. Look at the head and shoulders over. God, look at the hindsight, man, just for fun. So the necklines, you don't have to, like, clearly that's the neckline, right, horizontally. You don't have to, right, I mean, that's it. You don't have to, like, do this. Oh, it's slanted, head and shoulders, man. No, it's just, that's it. And you got,
It's never really perfect sometimes.
oh, and then sometimes it is, man. Here you go. Look at that. It's glorious and just, it's all over. It's all over, dude.
Wow.
Just beautiful, though. Yeah, just, oh, and then look again up here, this double top, the higher high double top. Look at the beautiful amount of weekly bearish divergence that came to be before its departure on both oscillators. Couple happy divergencies right here. Okay, a little Bob Ross. Okay, we got a little. We just control click. Wait, no, we can't do that. Being told by the producer. I don't know what's happening. There you go. Got a one little high. You got a second high, and then up here, we can paint a couple happy clouds, man. Couple happy clouds. Hey, we could do the sun too. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. Oh, goodness gracious. So, higher high double top, head and shoulders. Beautiful, man. And now we're in heck. Wow. Alright, whatever, man. Losing my mind over here. Tough crowd.
I was enjoying it.
I was thoroughly enjoying it. I didn't want to interrupt.
Okay, that was it.
I'm just picturing buying a Rolls Royce when they go to zero.
Yeah, dude, really. Luxury cars. New luxury cars. Terrible.
I wonder if anybody's still holding the top.
Ew.
Someone, probably. There's always someone, man. God. But even talk about perfect head and shoulders. I'll show you a perfect head and shoulders if you give me a minute. Alright, here it is. It's the most beautiful head and shoulders of all time. It's on the DAX. It's like the German stock exchange. It's old. Look at this, man. I mean, it was just the Jesus, right? It's like a double head. And then you broke the neckline. Beautiful neckline. And look, where'd you go? 100%. The measure move was it. And that is exactly where the reversal occurred. Just stupid, dude. So.
It's still pretty delayed. I'm waiting.
Yeah, you're good. I'm going to clean it up. This is old. I used to do it that way. More professional now, man.
Okay, yeah, now we can see the DAX.
Wow. Look at that.
That's wild, honestly.
Yep. Insanity. Full moons tonight? Is that real?
Yeah, on the 1st and 31st.
Oh, wow, dude.
It almost looks like on the DAX that second shoulder almost has like a little head and shoulders in that second shoulder, you know?
Second head and shoulders and second shoulder?
Yeah, like on the shoulder itself, it almost looks like a little mini head and shoulders because it just with all that chop that's there. You know, it's not really. But.
It's kind of, you know what it really is. It's kind of, we're gonna put together a little happy, another happy little structure. Call this the, I think you all know it. I mean, right? Is this not somewhat 3 falling peaks-ish stuff in the neckline? I was like, confirmation, you know, from there. See, it's like, or you could have traded that, or you could have zoomed out and seen the greater context. So, yeah, it was multiple patterns. They're all pointing the same thing, though, weren't they? It's beautiful. So let's look at it now. How's the DAX screwed? Look at this. I don't know. It's going sideways. It's kind of range bound now. There's definitely some support here. I would think this would eventually just roll over. It's 11,859. You break that, man. Get wrecked. Look at another lower high. Oh, man. Or it could rally, and then it could form another, like, you know, head and shoulders. Like one, look, the complexity is already appearing on the, so a high, higher, high, highest high. And now it's going to be like a lower high, and then solve and lower high again. Just rounding out. It'll look like Boeing eventually. Yeah, remember, anyone see the, on Boeing, the complex head and shoulders go way back? Oh man, look at this, dude. It's like, right? This is beautiful.
Give us a moment.
It reminds me of,
I'm looking it up.
We're still seeing DAX.
yeah, this reminds me of Bitcoin from the summer, where it just had that one buying climax and it could never get back up. Look at the weekly. It's stupid. The weekly is insane. It's just so complex. Beautiful. I mean, I don't even need to. I can though. I could just do it like I did. This is kind of how I did gold way back.
Oh wow.
Alright, it's just like to signify all the different little peaks. Oh man, it's gross. Just get wrecked.
It's almost like a diamond top-esque.
Nah, it's just a complex head and shoulders. That's all it is, complex.
Okay. One that I've been tracking a little bit more is J&J. It looks like it could be a complex inverse head and shoulders.
Yeah. Probably, dude. It's not looking good. It's been like blah.
Well, you see what I mean? Like it's forming some kind of accumulation, you know, buyers keep pushing the price up whenever, you know, there's a big sell-off. Still hanging out.
Hidden bearish divergence on the RSI.
Where?
And on
J&J?
the MACD. J&J 4 hour.
Is that a joint?
What's up, Lapa, dude?
THX
Yeah, it doesn't really triple top.
For
Let's say triple top,
entertainment,
yeah.
can you look at trick? Maybe some
I have
Russian
a-
rallies.
There's a
Sure, thank you.
cipher that I was waiting for J&J to hit.
Cipher? Oh, yeah. Thought it hit or something. I don't know. It looks. I hate how it looks right now. On the weekly, it sucks, dude. Like, look at this huge ascending triangle, and it just can't catch any bids. Just it's suppressed. It's like the market participants just aren't letting it break out like to all-time highs. Something has to happen. I don't know. You know, like what would cause it? How could it do it? It's still making higher lows, but yeah, dude.
They
It's just,
even got like a really nice contract from the government that's surprising.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe it's just delayed or. Yeah, the cipher, I know, man, but you don't want it to fall below. It's good how it held the 200-day moving average. You really now need it to look at, you know, the bearish divergence on the daily played out, and it only manifested into a higher low than previous low and a bounce of the 200 moving average. So you really, we're at a really critical spot. We got to break this 150. It's 148.97. You got to, man. Otherwise, you're screwed. Yeah, it could end up turning into head and shoulders up here, but if you could break that. And we try one more time, you know, it's like there's a sell wall, and now there might be accumulation with this sell wall. Man, oh my god, dude, for the whole year you've just been unable to break it. Dude, it's not even that. It's like since 2018 you've just been stuck. You're the same price you were at on Johnson & Johnson January 10th, 2018 as you are today. That sucks, dude. That's real bad. That's S-coin levels, right, of just no yield.
Stable coin.
Stable coin.
But guess what? If you held it, you'd have. I mean, you got to wonder how many dividends you'd have collected. You know. Like,
Yeah, those are some good
reinvested.
dividends.
Yeah, big time. Yeah, so like you think high or low, hopefully it can break, rally, but yeah, could be a triple top. You just hit critical areas on this one, like super critical. Look, you're below where you need to be. You got to get above this, otherwise, yeah, you're done. It's like you're gonna get screwed. You're gonna dump all the way down to like 125. Yep, for sure. Could happen again. Again, it's happened so many times already. But you just keep making. Look, you keep making these higher lows. Everything else will work itself out. That's it.
We don't even get those Trump pumps, man. Every time he mentions J&J.
Oh, I know, man. Yeah, wrecked. All right. So, I think I'm just gonna wrap it up. It's been a good stream. Been live over an hour now, so I don't know. Looked some good stuff. It's just
yeah, it was fun, educational.
Yeah, dude. One
I'm
day.
enjoying looking at this while we have the opportunity.
Oh,
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe one thing we can look at.
Oh, Rick,
Rick. That is kind of doing well. We kind of missed was Tootsie Roll.
Oh, we'll look at Tootsie Roll. Wow, dude, look at this, man. Rick Hospitality.
What's this? What is the thing? Ticker, sorry.
Rick, R-I-C-K.
Oh, R-I-C-K.
Yeah, this is a request. Let's see, how far does this go back to? Week, let's go to the weekly. Good God, man, what a crazy chart, or blah. Wow, dude. Man. So... And no bearish divergence on the weekly. Weekly looks okay. Bullish engulfing is maybe being painted on the weekly. Below the 200-week moving average, you gotta get back above that, man. That's big time, dude. You were above it briefly in early 2024 COVID crash. And before that, I mean, you fell below it in May 2019. Just like, God.
It is coming up on Halloween.
Is that what Rick Hospitality, what do they do?
Sorry, I'm thinking of Tootsie Roll.
Oh, yeah. It's almost like 3 rising valleys, man. Almost, man. Yeah, it could be. I think you can go much lower for the third valley, so I don't really know about this one too much yet. Doesn't look like there's any edge. You're probably paying premium. I don't know. Doesn't stick out to me as crazy right now.
Oh, it looks like there was convergence as well.
Yeah, so that doesn't really help too much. I don't know, I mean, whatever. It's just like, you got demand line down here. Hey, you get down here one more time, then we'll be talking about 3 rising valleys. I don't think this is near deep enough. You have to have proportional swing lows, right? Like, if you went from 3 rising valleys, you want it to be like low to high. Okay, this is 618. Alright, so then you want the third low from the second valley, low to high. You want that to come down to like the 618, which is down to like $15 near the demand line, which would make all the sense in the world. So I would rather this thing sell off more, and then we can talk about it. Proportional swing lows to the previous lows. Anyway, yeah, it's okay, dude. It's yeah. What were you talking about? What did y'all want?
Mitch, you think you can make a look at a G? I know you posted it a while back.
Just
it was a very long term.
Yeah, it's just bleeding out. Yeah, it's. Yep. Not really doing any kind of bullish divergence a little bit. I mean, barely. It's just so choppy. But like from this low to this discernible swing low on the daily, it's implying a reversal to the upside soon. So, patience. That's all I can say. If that daily is going to actually play out, which I don't know if it will, but I'm saying low to the same low. Right, up next. You got to get back above 650. 650 is a big deal, man. You might want to be getting out of this if this divergence doesn't work out. You might not want to be messing with it because this is a big deal. I mean, like that's like December 2018's valley, an ice line. You're below the ice line right now. You've got to break back up. So be looking for that in the coming weeks. Breaking above 650. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't know about that Bitcoin Cash, dude. That looks kind of weird.
Have you looked at Roku yet?
I mean, it went nuts, right?
Yeah, look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, you know how Roku started. Roku started with this. It's unreal. It's unreal.
That Gauges thing right there. I actually just bought one. It's amazing. It's way better than the Apple TV right now.
This was a trade setup.
It was.
A really nice trade setup. The inverse head shoulders, but dude, it was just like, look how perfect. This was wasn't a bullish Gartley. It was like a bullish cat pattern. It was like supposed to be, because it's shallow retrace, it was supposed to be an 886 retrace, but it wasn't. 786 were reversed. Anyway, man, just moon now. So much happened. It's like it broke the ice line, or the supply line. So good, dude. This is a killer.
I had it as a bull pull, bull flag from like July, and it hit the PCZ of that. Well, not the PCZ, but hit the measured move, and then it looks like it's double tapping potentially up there. So it's got to break right where it's at.
So you're saying at the 237 it needs to pass through this, or it's gonna go down?
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm just.
I mean, I'm looking at the MACD right now. I know that there's this little itty bitty green histogram island, and I don't want to, you know, look at that for like bearish divergence.
Candle's breaking out right now. This up-slipping resistance. 4 times it tested and it was respecting it. Now this time it's breaking out, and it's at all-time highs. So your target's upon you, probably 1272 high to low here. That 1272 is $206 and 53 cents. Yeah, you'll probably touch that if it keeps going. I mean, here they are, your targets, all-time highs. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, I just had it as a bull pull, bull flag, like after the head and shoulders, you know, because it was just consolidating there for a long time. Then it up thrust and made me think it was breaking out, so I charted that, and haven't looked at it since.
What's going to be the theme this year for Halloween? Oh, I don't know yet. Might do the same thing I did last year. Since no one even got to see it. Well, the only people that saw it were the people that watched it live, and then it got taken down for copyright. So playing Lord of the Rings music of all things, terrible.
You were wearing your crown? I forget.
Nah, dude, I was on the Bitcoin night. The Bitcoin night, dude.
Oh, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin.
That was awesome.
Yeah, dude. It was lit, man. Green screen and everything. And then like the intro was me like fighting all these different Viking people behind me. It's nuts, dude. Anyway. Alright. Well.
I appreciate it, man. That was a good stream.
Yeah, thank y'all for showing up, and you know, what a good hour and a half together. You know, these are like, you know, a lot of people lurking in the voice chat. These are times to ask questions, you know, about the TA and stuff. You get a chance to talk with me verbally. It's easier for me to articulate, or on a stream we all learn together. Like you know, you have a question, and then it's like, well, maybe 10 other people learn something too.
Yep.
You know, because of the question you ask. So be inquisitive. It's good. Ninja Girl, you out there still? You around?
I'm here.
Oh my God, good to see you. Good to hear from you.
But you know what's been helping me out a lot is a lot of the clips you've been putting up. So I've been watching those a lot.
Oh yeah, those are indispensable.
Well, just ask questions. You know, when you don't know something, always ask, because there's a bunch of people in the Patreon chat that would love to help the answer. You know, because they learned, and when you learn things in life and you really get a grip on them, it is your obligation to then share that knowledge with other people. So, it's our obligation as humans.
Yeah, I guess I just want to get better on asking the question correctly, kind of type of thing, but kind of just working on that.
That comes with like vocabulary.
Yeah, for sure.
Like once you start understanding that. Yeah.
That takes time, dude. So it's like, don't even feel embarrassed if you say something differently. Whatever, who cares?
Mitch, remember that red book that you have behind you that was talking about like the vocabulary of like ice lines and things like that? What was that called?
Trades About to Happen by David Weiss. Weiss.
That book is so good.
I friggin' love that book. Yeah.
That book is so amazing. That's a good one.
I just got that one. Cool. Nice.
And drink coffee. Drink an Irwin coffee, man. Get some heavy whipping cream, put it in there, and then get to reading, you know.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Well, look what I just
See,
did.
I don't have the Wyckoff stuff, so I was looking for it. I forgot
That's
to ask
the one,
last
man.
week.
It'll set you right.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
And like too, even in that book, it doesn't. I don't think it does as well of a job as like just going to like you just there's so much Wyckoff stuff online, like from like Investopedia and stuff like that that'll goes into the abbreviations like BC's a buying climax, AR's automatic rally, right? Like there's up thrust after distribution, so that's UTAD, right? There's LPYs. Right, there's LSPs, I think, or what is the preliminary supply? Or it's like PSY is preliminary supply. So there's all these different acronyms, and you need to memorize what they are and where they are and stuff in Wyckoff. So yeah, just read the book, but then there's also so much more you can learn about Wyckoff too that I don't know is all that's in the book. So okay. So
hey, I just wanted to say this. Looks like President Trump is quarantining right now. He just, I don't know, like 20 minutes ago or whatever, the headline broke.
What?
Yeah, check it out. President Donald Trump said Thursday that he and First Lady Melania Trump are beginning a quarantine process as they await COVID test results. After a top aide he spent substantial time with this week tested positive.
He did.
Yep.
Wow, dude.
I thought Biden would have got it first.
Right?
I mean, who knows? It probably was targeted at Trump at this point. I mean, come on, dude. It's
Wait,
like
one of them says, the Rolling Stone says that they quarantine after top aide test positive.
That he spent significant time with.
Oh, it's not him.
Okay. So he doesn't have it, but he could. He doesn't.
Yeah, he could because of the aid. Yeah,
he hasn't been. He's getting tested right now. They're waiting for their results.
I mean, there's a few guys where I work with in places that I deliver to, and they got it, and they're back working now. So it's like,
yeah, it's
I don't ask because out of respect.
Yeah, Hope Hicks. That's who it was.
Yeah, I just saw his tweet that he put out about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so who knows? But that's kind of the hot topic right now, looks like.
Interesting. Well, there you go, dude. No one is safe, man. So, sanitize your hands before you put them in your eyeballs, your mouth, or your whatever, your ears. I don't know. So.
I just got back. What were you talking about? Someone got it? They got COVID?
Hope Hicks, one of the top aides for President Trump, got it.
No. My wife and daughter got it. I was in LA speaking about immunity. And yeah, we got immune system. So that'll take care of it if you keep it boosted and, eat healthy and do smart things. So
blasphemy.
Blasphemy.
Yeah, I saw that the House Democrats passed the $2.2 trillion virus relief bill, but obviously it won't pass the Senate.
That's dead on arrival.
It's dead on arrival.
Jeez.
They just wanted to do that so that they could leave.
They're reconvening tomorrow morning. I think, I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow morning, but yeah, they're reconvening.
Well, good
It'll
luck.
cause some sort of turbulence.
Yeah, the turbulence will probably happen over the weekend while markets are closed, and then we come into a Monday.
Oh yeah.
Who knows?
Rising Wedge Connect.
All right, good night.
Rising Wedge Monday.
Yeah, dude. Rising wedge, bearish cipher. It's here, man. It's like, it's either now or never. I mean, the dump, dude. Right, this is it. Is this truly the trend, or is it just going to break out and run? I mean, it could always run up to 34.27 before reversing too. But you just think with the harmonic and the bearish divergence, this is the time. It's nearing the apex. You just like dump what happened sooner rather than later. But we'll see. Nothing's certain. Money printer always can go bird anytime. So, all right, I'm gonna hang up. Appreciate y'all. Be good.
Thank you, Mitch.
Yeah, just
Good night.
keep
Thank you
asking
very much.
questions.
Have a good night, man.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Later, y'all. Cheers. All right. So yeah, dude, the futures not looking good. S&P futures like 4 hour look. I mean, this is textbook reversal stuff. We'll see what happens. I mean, that's multiple coinciding variables right there. So the probability is higher that the price would go down next, not up. That's all that means. I'll leave you with that. All right. Till next time. Respect the TA.